Buong. Ano? Mukhang papasa kang bagong emoticon.
Kumukulit na kumukulit.
Kapag ka naiintindihan niya, kumukulit.
Pero makalipas ang ilang oras, seryoso na silang nagplano ng kanilang gagawin.
Nagawa muna tayo ng show, guys. Para rin sa birthday ni Daddy. Pwedeng, yan, yung mga boys, pwedeng sell-sell tayo, ganyan. Or si Kuya Nonong tatay, ganyan. Dance, ganyan.
Tapos pag kinakanta niya, i-reenact natin yung pangalan.
Mula sala, isa-isa nang nagsilipat ng kusina ang lahat.
Is it okay if you practice this song?
Definitely,
Yeah, sure.
yes.
Even if it's just the last two songs, tapos siya talaga.
I like your voice.
Pag magpapatingin
Can you sing with us while you're cooking?
Pero si McCoy, may mga bagay talagang hindi basta-basta may iwan. Di ba, McCoy?
Tara. Please sing it. So, I'll write the lyrics. Oh, sige. Again. May mga bagay talagang hindi maiwan. Di ba, McCoy?
Maya-maya pa ibinigay na ni Kuya ang ingredients ng lulutuing spaghetti ni Yasi.
Pasta! Thank you, Kuya! Guys, may cat. May cat siya. Sorry. Ako lang yung pwede magluto. Okay lang, Yasi is good at cooking. Yasi is super good. Galing ko.
Habang abala ang iba sa pag-aayos ng kanta, si Yasi sinisimulan na ang spaghetti sa tulong ni Nono.
Hindi ako yan. Ito. Ganto mo. Kailangan lumabas sila sa mga lungga nila. Pagka umulo na yun, lagyan mo na oil.
Tapos pepper and salt.
Hindi man sanay magluto, todo effort si Yasi para sa kanyang special na spaghetti.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Dapat talaga.
Pray ka muna.
Nagbabubbles na. Okay na yan, diba?
Please, mabilis ako.
Ilang sandali pa, naluto na rin ang spaghetti ni Yasi. Matapos sumabak sa lutuan,
Yasi,
Yes, Kuya.
handa na kayo?
Yes po, kuya. Everyone! Go!
Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry around when your arthritis is bad. I could be your baby that grows old with you. I wanna grow old with you. What will you take of it? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Message. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. Thank you so much for being everything that I need in this life and everything that I'll ever need. For everything you've taught me and for being who you exactly are, for being my stepping stones, for being my shoes, for being my wings, for being my brain most of the time. I love you so much and I hope you just stay happy all the time. And I love you so much. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday! We love you!
abangan mamaya.
Daddy! Daddy, happy birthday! Daddy,
Ilang sandali pa pinagsaluhan na nila ang niluto ni Yasi.
Kain na tayo! Kain na tayo!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa Daddy.
Atak! Atak! Lalo ko lang po na kayo.
Sa gitna ng kanyang pagkain,
Yasi, pumasok ka ng confession room.
Sabi na eh. Ginawa ka, tumubutso na po. Sabi nga sa
Oh, Kuya! Oh.
Hindi ba't naghingi ka ng cake para sa iyong daddy?
Yes po. Thank you.
Okay, so ayan ang cake para sa kanya.
Okay. Si Daddy na lang kulang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Daddy! Daddy, happy birthday. Daddy, hello. Happy birthday.
Darling, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I miss you.
Darling, I love you.
I sang you
That's
a
a
song.
beautiful cake.
Yeah, it's from Kuya. I didn't make it because I don't know how to bake, but I cook you spaghetti.
Baby, I'm so happy to talk to you, to see you.
I miss you,
I miss
Daddy.
I told you the last words I spoke to you when we parted. I said how much I loved you. And all I can tell you is, if it's possible, I even love you even more. Even more.
Oh, Dad.
Baby, don't cry. Come on, be happy.
I'm happy.
I can't wait for you to come back. I want a big, biggest ever kiss.
Okay.
Can you do that for me?
I'll give you 100 kisses if you want.
You know, this is the first birthday I've had where you're not present.
I know.
And I miss you. Just be happy, and we'll celebrate double when you come back, I promise you. Double, double, double.
Papa, I'm gonna make a wish for you, okay? I'm gonna wish now.
Of course. Okay.
Okay, blow. 1, 2, 3, go. Really, blow me a kiss there. Papa, I have to say bye-bye now.
I know, darling, and I'm saying goodbye to you.
Okay.
From the bottom of my heart, and you know that I mean it. And I just want to see you. Next time we see one another, I want to see the biggest smile and the happiest face I've ever seen. Okay? Is that a promise?
Promise.
Good.
Love you.
Be
Bye-bye.
happy.
Kuya.
Yasi, bakit?
Thank you.
Kamusta ang pakiramdam?
Happy. Happy. Yun po. Happy. Alam ko po pag hindi okay si Daddy, so mukha naman po siyang okay. Yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-check lagi kung okay sila. Thank you.
Masaya ako na masaya ka. Tandaan mo.
pagbalik sa loob ng bahay,
Pag matagal ka na hindi nakakain,
Kuya, thank you.
ano to?
kasi nicely.
Yes.
Oh my God! Oh, 29 years?
Abangan bukas, mag-iinit sa loob ng bahay. At mas makikilala natin ang K-hot girl na si Jinri.
Growing up in a foreign country, people would tease me a lot. I have chinky eyes. They would say things like, ching chong chong, or make fun one of my race, and I can't change that because that's who I am.
At ang mga housemates magkakainitan din sa pagharap nila sa kauna-unahang gabi ng nominasyon.
Binibigyan ko po ng 2.6.
Hindi pa nagpapakita ng totoong siya.
Bossy type po yung ugali niya.
She's really nice though, but
Hindi ganun kalaking kawalan.
I think that other people need this more than her.
hindi talaga plastikan po, okay?
Apat sa inyo ang nakakuha ng pinakamaraming boto.
Alamin ang kanilang kapalaran bukas dito pa rin sa PBB